Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another giveaway episode for you. For those of you who might be new to my channel here, about once a month I do a giveaway, and the prize, I do 3 prizes, and the main prize is a 1-year premium membership to the DIY website called Instructables.com. Instructables.com is really awesome. It's my favorite DIY website, and I post all of my cooking videos there, and they're kind of in a written out format with steps and with pictures, so it makes it really easy to follow in case you don't want to watch the video but you want to look at the recipe and read the recipe. I post all of my stuff over there, and with a premium membership you have a few more things available to you than just the normal basic free membership. And I just thought it would be fun to give away premium memberships to those who participate. And how you participate, all you had to do was, on that last giveaway video that I did, is just to make a comment down below. Anything. I think my topic for last time was what your favorite car is. And so for next time, make sure to drop a comment down below in this video and you will automatically be entered into the next giveaway. All right, so let's get on to the winners. All right, here we go. We had 13 unique commenters. That means you have a pretty good chance of winning something. Now we'll go ahead and start. This is going to be for the 1-year premium membership. And the winner is Funimation HD. I really do not like cars, but I really think I'm into the Tesla Model S XD. All right, Funimation HD, you won the grand prize of 1-year premium membership to Instructables. Okay, the next winner, this will be for a 3-month premium membership. And that winner is Connor Vinson. Matt, I'm making 3 batches of your fudge for a flea market bake sale. Any tips? Awesome, Connor. You got a 3-month premium membership. And the last winner is PJ. I love your videos, Matt. I used the thread through the dough trick for my cinnamon buns that you showed us. Turned out perfect. Thanks. You're welcome. Awesome. Congratulations to the winners. To claim your prize, make sure to sign up on Instructables.com with a free account, and then find me over there. You can find me under In the Kitchen with Matt, and just send me a message and saying, hey Matt, I'm here to claim my prize, and I will give you that code. All right? And again, to be entered into the next drawing, just make a comment down below in this video. And today's topic, let's see, today's topic? How about what is your favorite sport to play? Or if you don't like to play sports, what is your favorite sport to watch? All right, so thank you for tuning in. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.